It's been a minute since we did a little junkyard video. That thing for sale, 77 Malibu. You know, it looked real familiar, right? You don't want to know why it looked real familiar? Because that was one like we had. I got a Ford LTD look like. We up here in Waco. We got a 69 Impala for sale. See, you should stay away from places like this. That's how you end up with another project. So as promised, man, I tell y'all I was on my way to Texas Fest. LS Fest, Texas. Whatever. Got an alert. So this is that special video that I was telling y'all about. Oh, excuse me, we're about to get into real quick. I already know where I'm going. Finna get in, get out, and get back on the highway. But since I was passing right by it, I felt it was only right that I bring this to y'all. So there you go. Now it has been a while since we've been out here. I think the last time we was out here, it was something for that Buick when we had the Rivy dog. So that lets you know how long it's been. So they got the Chevy cars back over here. As long as nothing has changed, I ain't even asked for no directions. I just know what road it's on. It's on road 79. And yeah, straight like that. There's a little bit of rain out here. I'm telling you, but the weather is nice. LS Fest Texas is gonna be lit. Especially if it's feeling like this, man. It ain't super duper hot to where it's taking your breath away and shit. Perfect, man. Perfect. Alright, 74. Getting close. They must have put it all the way at the back. Alright, we done found what we came to get, what came to see. The 1994 Beretta. Surprise! Nah, I'm fucking with y'all. 1984 Chevy Caprice. White in color. Looks to be a Broham. Goddamn thistle thorns growing about that motherfucker. It's been there sitting so long. Looks like they lost the lock or something. They fucked that all up. The back panel looked good. Missing the side joints like usual. Look like somebody already came and got one of the skirts. The rear end is missing. And I just got alerted to this shit like the other day. It does have the rockers for these parts, but they're missing in certain areas. I don't know how long this has actually been here or what. Maybe they parted that shit out before they put it up here, but this motherfucker's rough. As it should be, you know. I guess if it's come to the point where it's got to hit the yard, then I guess it should be rough. Motherfucker needs some WD-40. Look like we can read the sticker there. We got a VIN. Some tire pressure numbers. Manufactured in January 1984. It car older than me. Goddamn, but a lot of them is. Shit, my car older than me. The 84, not the 89. Column is mucked up pretty bad. I guess it ain't got something, cause that thing is spinning freely. Seats is beat the hell up. This might have been sitting out here longer than we've been led on to believe. Everything is faded. It ain't really nothing on this car that I can say is good. It maybe want to plot. That might work. The carpet, all fucked off. Seats, all fucked off. Look like they, I guess it pulled the top off of there. Maybe if you need a door, maybe a fender or some fender trim, maybe. I think that's what I was thinking about doing. Now, I didn't bring my tools because like I'm on the way to LS Fest, but yeah, I gotta bring the content for the people. I mean, this fender don't look to be terrible. I mean, that might be worth fooling with. I mean, you still have to bring it down, tear it down, prep it and shit to get it, I guess, for show, but it don't look to be terrible in condition body-wise. If you needed something to work with, you know, that one on my car is pretty beat up. So I was thinking about it, you know, it could further our journey as painting body people. You know what I'm saying? So maybe. But like I said, I ain't bring no tools. Like I said, I really wasn't expecting it for it to be much. The cars is pretty much complete. Not needing a lot of things, but it has been a while since a box Chevy hit the yard, so